In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up credit cards with sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online. When you have multiple company credit cards, like a main corporate card with individual cards for different employees, setting them up properly in QuickBooks makes tracking and reconciling so much easier. The goal here is to have one main or parent credit card account and then separate sub-accounts for each individual card. That way, you can see both the overall balance and the activity by cardholder. Let's start by creating the parent credit card account. In QuickBooks Online, go up to the gear icon at the top right of your screen and choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts live, including bank accounts, credit cards, income, and expenses. In the Chart of Accounts, click the New button to add a new account. When the setup window opens, look for the Account Type dropdown and choose Credit Card. This tells QuickBooks that this account will behave like a credit card with payments, interest, and reconciliations. Next, give this parent account a clear name. You can use something like corporate credit card or the name of the bank that issued the card. Use a name that you and your team will immediately recognize when you see it in reports or on the chart. If you're starting in the middle of a credit card cycle, you can enter an opening balance. This should match the balance as of your chosen start date in QuickBooks. If you're not sure, it's perfectly fine to leave this blank for now and come back later once you have accurate numbers. When you're done, click Save. Now let's set up the sub-accounts for each individual card. From the Chart of Accounts screen, click New again. Choose Credit Card as the account type and also select Credit Card as the detail type. In the name field, enter something that clearly identifies each card, such as the cardholder's role or the last 4 digits of the card number. The key is that you can quickly see which card is which. Now, check the box that says Is Sub-Account or Make this a Sub-Account. A field will appear where you can choose the parent account. From that drop-down, select the parent credit card account you just created. This links the individual card to the main account, so QuickBooks can roll everything up properly. If you have an existing balance for that specific card, enter the opening balance here as well, then click Save. Repeat this same process for each additional card you want to track as a sub-account. Once your parent account and all sub-accounts are set up, you're ready for the next step, which is connecting them to your online banking so transactions can flow into QuickBooks automatically.